Good afternoon, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Latham, and this is a weather update for today, April 9th, 2024. We do have a severe weather possibility to talk about. That's mainly for tomorrow evening. We'll take a look at that here momentarily. It's been a while since we've done one of these weather updates, normal weather updates, going over everything. Had to take some time away personally when I can do so right now. So big things happening in personal life. However, we do have that big leave in May coming up the week of May 18th through the 24th, I believe it is. That's posted also at the top of our page. SWKSS will be totally out of service that week. When we come back, we should be coming back fully on par like we used to and able to do these weather updates more regularly. Jump into our weather update. Take a look at local observations here in Cadiz. Temperature at 62 degrees, dew point 56.0, wind is south at 11 miles an hour, humidity 80.4%, and 0.18 inches of rainfall since 12 a.m. Take a look at other temperatures around the region. Murray at 62, Benton 64, Paducah 64, Princeton at 63, Clarksville, Tennessee at 63, and Dover, Tennessee at 64. Take a look at the precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center issued today, April 9th, 2024, valid through April 17th through the 23rd of 2024. Slightly above average rainfall amounts expected across our region. Take a look at the temperature outlook for the same time period, slightly above normal across our region. We are in that level 2 slight risk for excessive rainfall from the Weather Prediction Center for tonight as well as tomorrow and their day 2 Wednesday. Rainfall amounts generally across the area be 1.5 to 2 inches across the Pensacola region in our Tennessee counties up into Paducah, far west Kentucky, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall expected across the region. Take a look at that day 2 severe weather outlook from the Weather Prediction Center. This is for tomorrow, April 10th, 2024. Level 1 marginal risk across our entire area. See that big severe weather outbreak. Level 4 risk down toward the Gulf Coast. Big severe weather outbreak happening tonight and again tomorrow across some of the same areas. Take a look at the tornado probability for our area. Level 2 percentile risk for a tornado or two to occur mainly toward the Tennessee counties I wouldn't rule it out toward the Tennessee line counties of West Kentucky if storms are able to go severe. Day 2, severe weather outlook for wind, 5 percentile across our area. Day 2 for hail, looking at 5 percentile across our area as well. What we think here at SWKSS for severe weather risk in that green between low and medium risk for damaging wind gusts, very low tornado risk, large hail risk, the same as damaging winds, and our primary risk, I think, would be heavy rain and flash flooding. Time for watch for severe weather for Wednesday. I think it's going to be tomorrow afternoon and evening, but we'll keep an eye on the radars all day as well, just in case any of those thunderstorms try to come up into severe criteria. Take a look at the 5-day weather forecast tonight. 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and showers and possibly a thunderstorm after 1 a.m. Otherwise, with a low around 60. Southeast wind 6 to 9 miles an hour. Wednesday, a level 1 severe risk issued with a 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms with a high near 72. East-southeast wind 6 to 13 miles an hour with gusts as high is 18 miles an hour. Wednesday night, that level 1 risk continuing with a 100% chance of showers and possibly a thunderstorm with a low of 53. Southeast wind 11 to 16 miles an hour with gusts as high is 24 miles an hour. Thursday, a 90% chance of showers and possibly a thunderstorm with highs near 65. South-southwest wind around 13 to 18 miles an hour, becoming west in the afternoon with gusts as high as 28 miles an hour. Thursday night, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 p.m., then a slight chance of showers between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m., partly cloudy with a low of 47. West wind 13 to 17 miles an hour with gusts as high as 28 miles an hour. Friday, sunny with a high near 66, breezy with a west-northwest wind 15 to 21 miles an hour with gusts as high as 31 miles an hour. Friday night, clear with a low of 46, west-southwest wind 6 to 14 miles an hour with gusts as high as 22 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny with a high near 76 degrees, southwest wind 6 to 14 miles an hour with gusts as high as 21 miles an hour. And Saturday night, partly cloudy with a low of 59 degrees, southwest wind 13 to 16 miles an hour with gusts as high as 25 miles an hour. And that is all we have for your weather update for today. Again, we'll keep an eye on that severe weather risk for you going into tomorrow and tomorrow evening and update you as needed on that. If you did like today's video, please follow, like, and share and subscribe on our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great night. With severe weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. With our underground reports out in the storm with SWKSS Green Weather Spotters on Facebook Lives. To our severe weather update videos, we keep you informed. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings. A severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. By following media outlets or internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should take action and move to a basement or lowest floor or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area if possible. If not, kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area as best as possible. This should also be done in an interior room, lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no shelter nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch, covering your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. How can you be ready for severe weather to hit the SWKSS region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries. First aid kit. Have a family medicines and special needs ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And have all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky Storm Spotters cover 17 counties in western Kentucky and 2 counties in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm.